Pretty. Okay, I think I'm ready. I've got everything. Polish, plates. Okay. All right. Hey everyone, it's me Karen, and today I want to do a quick advanced stamping for you. I also want to show you a couple of my polishes that are part of the Gilded collection. On my nails today I have this beautiful red, and it is called Gilded Geranium. I'm going to use, for my stamping, I'm going to use this other polish from the Gilded collection called Gilded Pomegranate. I'm also going to use this polish from the Gilded collection, and it is called Gilded Olivine. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to use this Born Pretty gold stamping polish. I've got down here an Apipila plate. It is number 4C. And I'm going to use this image here in the corner. I've got some clear stampers here to use. These are the little clear, I think they're called Mahjong tile stampers. I really like them. And I'm just going to scrape with my Fab Your Nails scraper right here. Scrape once, roll to pick up, and there it is. Alright, next I'm going to fill this in. This one's already dry. I think that's as zoomed in as I'm going to get. Alright, I'm going to use a little detail brush, and I'm going to fill the flowers in with some of the pomegranate. Do not stroke this in, just dab it in. You don't want to risk smudging. Next I'm going to fill in the tiny, tiny leaves. I don't think you can see them with the green. Alright, set that aside to dry. I've got one that's done here ready. Now, some people like to put a clear coat on top of this. I don't do that. I'm going to come in with a little Wet n Wild. I'm going to put it on the nail that I'm going to apply this with, onto, I mean. You don't need anything special like an Orly Bonder or a sticky base coat. Anything will do, so long as you have a fresh, polished surface. You don't need to let this dry all the way. I'm going to place it near the bottom so I have most of the application down there. So let that dry for just a few seconds. And just decide how you want to place this. And I'm going to place that right here. And there we go. Now I've decided I'm going to put another one at the tip. We're just going to do this. There we go. What do you think? Alright, I'm going to finish up. I'll be back shortly. Alright, so all of the stamping is on the nails, and we just have to clean up a little bit. I've got a little piece of tape here, and I like to try to take off as much as I can with tape because I don't want to use more acetone than I have to. And sometimes this does not work, but it's always worth a try. And then whatever you don't get with the tape, of course you're going to do with a brush. So here I've got my yellow angled brush that I got from Nicole Diary for review, and I've already shared the information on this product. And we're just going to go around. I am planning on adding cleanup brushes to my shop in the near future, and I hope you all will enjoy those too. Alright, cleanup is done. Alright, once everything is pretty dry, I'm going to come in with some top coat, quick dry top coat. This is my favorite one by Glisten and Glow. It does not smudge my stamping. You can use your favorite one, but please be careful and make sure you know your product on whether or not it's going to smudge your beautiful design that you just put in a lot of work. Don't forget to cap your edges. Make sure you have plenty on your brush so that you can just glide it across. That's one of the tips to being smudge free with stamping. Check for some top coat cleanup. Look pretty good. I was mixing polish this morning, so I've got some stray boo-boos around. And there we go. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed this. It's just a short little, you've seen this all before, but I thought it was pretty. Anyway, if you did enjoy this, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. There's usually a link, a button down there in the lower right of the frame. If you've got any questions or comments, shoot them below. Please be nice. Doesn't do any good to be nasty. Anyway, if you don't follow me over on Instagram, please make sure you do. I will have information for products I used and where you can find me on Instagram in the information box below. So until the next time that we get together, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.